Okay, so shall we start? We'll move ahead. Our participants have joined, our guests have joined, and we are all set to go. Okay, so dear parents, dear all attendees, all the audience, and the invited guests, a very pleasant good evening to all of you. On behalf of Eurokids Sudhamanagar Preschool, myself, Professor Monica Jain, welcome you all at this inspiring platform of From Generation Y to Generation Alpha. Dear all, children are future of tomorrow, and it is well said that you can't build a skyscraper on a weak foundation. So preschooling of the kids is of prime importance because these years lay the foundation of kids for attaining great heights in life. At this school at Eurokids Sudhamanagar, we focus on holistic development of our kids so that they establish a happy life, they achieve the highest human values and grow up to be responsible citizens for tomorrow. So before taking much time, let us first hear a musical performance from our guest, from our young guest, a young performer, and then I will introduce to you to him later. Let us first listen to him. Aditya, can we have your performance, please? Yes, we can hear your drums. lovely. Very nice. Very nice. Thanks, Aditya. Thank you so much. Hey, you all enjoy? Advait, I could see you dance. Huh, Advait?
Hello.
You were dancing. Yes or no? So, dear all, do you know which song did Aditya play? It is Scratch Your Name from the famous band The Noisettes. And what does this lyric say? Scratch your name into the fabric of this world before you go. What a wonderful piece selection from you, young boy. Great. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, Aditya, it seems that you have a magical rhythm in your whole body. Dear parents, it is so tough to play drums because this is the only musical instrument which requires a great synchrony. And at the same time, an astonishing fact about the drum is that all four limbs, the hands and the legs, sometimes need to be doing different things. And this can be so unnatural for us. But for Aditya, it is a hobby come passion. So with great pride and pleasure, let me introduce Aditya to our amazing audience present over here. Aditya is a student of 12th standard and is only 17 years old. He has chosen mathematics as his main subject, and he is so talented. Along with this, he is disciplined, he is sincere, and one extraordinary thing I would like to bring into your notice about Aditya is that in spite of great talent he possesses, he never takes things for granted. He puts in great efforts to master each skill with perfection. And until he achieves perfection in it, he doesn't leave it undone. That's the biggest secret of Aditya's success, which I have unveiled today in front of you all. So, beginning with his music, he started from an early age. And when he was in sixth standard, he was selected as the part of Frank Anthony Public School brass band. And he used to play trumpet over there. Moving ahead in grade 8, he did a certification course from Trinity College, London in drums. And at this young age, he has his own YouTube channel where he releases videos weekly. He has participated in numerous music competitions and performances, playing musical instruments like guitar and piano, apart from drums and trumpet. So many instruments he knows to play. Coming up to sports, he's a very good badminton player and has participated in various levels of badminton tournaments. Also, he do so many activities like baking in kitchen. He bake various types of breads and amazing yummy cakes. Along with baking, he also spends time in drawing, painting, calligraphy, and he is very good at all these arts too. Now you will say, Madam, what about academics? So academics also, Aditya, he is super shining star. He was felicitated with General Proficiency Award regularly in school since nursery till class 10th. And he has consistently secured high ranks in various Olympiads like NSO, IEO, IMO, NCO, etc. In extracurricular activities, he has participated in elocutions, in debates and quizzes, and has won several prizes. Not so much to say about him, but one last thing I would like to disclose over here about his outstanding achievement that he was selected for Spark Catch Them Young program by Infosys in 2018. And during that program, he attended training in software technologies at this young age in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud technology. So such an elaborated CV Aditya has at such a young age. So proud of you, dear. And I'm sure your parents are equally to be appreciated for giving birth to you and also always supporting you and guiding you to do the best. So, dear all, let me introduce Aditya parents to you all. Nitin, Chandana, and Shubha, Mrs. Shubha. Nitin.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah. Hello,
Okay.
everybody from us.
Okay, so we have Mr. and Mrs. Chandana with us. Nitin is a project manager in software company HP Enterprises at Bangalore, and Shubha is also working. She is a manager in an NGO Center of Excellence in Bangalore. With such introductory lines for our guest of honor today, I will take few more minutes to introduce you with this platform. This platform which we have initiated, this is the Gen Y to Gen Alpha. How does this name sounds to you? Huh? Hello? Can you all hear me? How does this name sounds to you? Isn't it fantastic? Isn't it something new happening? So what does it indicate? It indicates that Gen Y or Generation Y, also called as the millennial generation, this include all those human beings who are born between 1981 and 1994 or 1996. So currently they are between 25 and 40 years old. That means you all parents sitting over here fall in generation Y. And the kids born between 2010 to 2024 is called as Gen Alpha. So I'm sure mostly those who are sitting in the audience are parents of Gen Alpha. And after this, next generation will be Generation Beta, and this will go on. So the idea popped up when I approached Mr. Nitin for his son Aditya's performance for Eurokids Sudhamanagar family for our parents and young toddlers. So while scheduling the possibilities, we thought of why not create such a platform for all budding talents and invite their parents to inspire the generation Y handling these super generation alpha kids. And the idea worked, and here we are. So Eurokids Sudhamanagar has always uh, dedicated dedicatedly doing all the activities for upliftment of their kids, of parents also, and we focus on holistic development of our kids. So we will be inviting achievers from various fields like arts or sports or book writing or painting, education, etc. Mostly every month or once in 2 months, as and when we get the achievers and they accept our invitation and join us. So this will be for the benefit of you all, for you parents, for Generation Y, to bring up holistic development of Generation Alpha. So we begin today with chapter 1, having Aditya and his parents, Mr. and Mrs. Chandana from Bangalore with us. And with great pleasure, now I invite you, Nitin and Shubha, to please share your journey, your talented son's journey with our audience. How you came to know about his talents and how you move ahead being a working parent duo, both of you are working, and how did you meet up his requirements and demands and lots of things. So we all are ready to hear you. It is now over to you, Nitin and Shubha.
Thank you, Monica.
Yeah. Monica, you told quite a bit of Aditya. I don't know. It's like a really too good words, too many good words for him. Thank you for that.
Aditya deserve. He is such a talented boy. नितिन a bit louder. थोड़ा सा आवाज कम आ रही है, bit louder.
Yes.
Okay.
So, actually, we are no different from any other parents, and the questions what they can have in mind when we want to start for them any particular area where like, people actually see whether the kids will flourish in the area of music, in the area of art, or various things, and nobody gets an answer. We were actually at the same stage 17 years back when Aditya was with us at that time. But we went ahead doing certain things, taking some steps. So I will actually start with running a short video, which actually talks about basically what all things we explored at different ages for when Aditya was growing. So I will just start that video, and then probably after that I will continue to talk more.
Nitin, I have made you host. You can share the video now.
Will do now.
What a wonderful journey. Amazing. I could literally see him growing. So, okay, Nitin, over to you. Your host, you can carry on.
Right. So those were different things which we let Adi explore, and we were not sure whether Adi will do very good in music or in badminton or whatever you saw just now. So I just wanted to bring that one up. That parents will have that question in mind, whether this age is appropriate, whether my kid will do good in music, whether he will do good in baking, in arts. You will not have an answer, and kids will not know that there is such opportunity available in the field. So my take is basically that you will have to explore that out, and duration has to be more than say 2 months or 6 months period of time, and then you will figure out whether that is the one which interests your kid or not. So these are the things we explored, uh, just gave exposure to Aditya over this period of time, and he liked few things, and that he's continuing with. There are few things which he is taking it as a hobby and not taking it forward very strongly. Music, he has taken it very strongly forward. Very soon you will hear back from him also. He will actually be speaking to you. But at this point of time, I wanted him to perform one more number for all of us. Normally he plays Western number, but this one is specifically he knew that this we all of us would like some Hindi song. So he's going to present one Hindi song to all of us now. Uh, this is a number from Cook Studio from Amit Trivedi, and this is called Teriya Tu Jane. It's a very melodious, rhythmic sound, it's a rhythmic song. So please enjoy now. And Aditya is going to perform that song for us.
Nitin, in the meantime, can you please just transfer the host criteria to on my name in EK Sudhamanagar name? Just right click in front of my name.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Done.
Yeah, done. Yes, done, Aditya.
लगी वे लगी तुझसे लव मेरी मैं जोगनिया तेरी बन के तर जाना छड़ी वे छड़ी जग से यारियां मैं सांवरिया तेरे दर पे मर जाना अब तू मेरे सांस जो बचे नाम है तेरे सब ये लिखवाने हक तू मेरा हाल है मेरा और ना कोई मुझको पहचाने तेरिया तू जाने तू जाने तेरिया तू जाने तू जाने तू जाने रे तेरी तू जाने रे ओ तेरी तू जाने हो हंस के लग जा गले मुझे सबसे छीन ले छीन ले छीन ले मुझे सबसे छीन ले इश्क का निखरे जरा कभी दिल की आँच पे आँच पे आँच पे मैं जनू तू जाए फिर न कोई फर्क ही रहे नाम से तेरे मुझको सब जाने फेरी है माला नाम की तेरे असली के किसे मौला के दाने कस के मुझको गले लगाया हो दुख मिटे बेचारी जान के हाय मेरा यार मेरा सरमाया हो बुल्ले शाह मेरे घर आया कस के मुझको गले लगाया दुख मिटे बेचारी जान के मेरा यार मेरा सरमाया सरमाया तू जाने तेरी तू जाने तू जाने तेरी तू जाने रे
It was so wonderful. Really amazing. See, all our parents are clapping. Huh? Aditya, well done. Kya art hai yaar, means really you are amazing. Really nice. Parents, are you all happy? Yes, I can see happy faces. I can see Advait. Advait, he was so much with the music. So this is the time we can identify the kids' interests. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Yes.
Adorable performance by you, dear young boy Aditya. Why don't you also share something with the audience that how you decipher your priorities? कब कौन सा काम करना है, कब आर्ट करना है, कब बेकिंग करना है, कब पढ़ाई करना है, and how do you manage time with such plethora of activities you do simultaneously along with your education, and moreover not lagging behind in any field. So please share with us क्या करते हो, ऐसा क्या जादू करते हो कि you can manage all such activities. Share with our parents so that when they see their kids growing, they can identify and they can guide them how to give priorities to each thing in life.
Okay, so first of all, thank you very much for having me. I'm very privileged to perform for all of you over here, and I hope you like that. Okay, so ma'am asked me a very interesting question. She asked me how I manage my time, how I decide when to prioritize things. So I think it's all about striking a balance. So, speaking as a child, I can say that us students, we don't really like studying. So, very often you're going to find that you're going to be balancing academics on one side with, hobbies on the other side. It doesn't have to be that way. If you like studying, good for you. But, that's usually how it is. So, for me, it took some time to find the hobby that I really liked. I only started drumming seriously when I was 12, which is 12 years of my life which I didn't, have this lovely instrument. But I don't regret it at all, because I spent a lot of my life figuring out what I wanted to do. And the most important thing was I had parents who not only gave me the opportunities to figure out what I like, they also encouraged me to go out and explore. If I said that, okay, I want to try art, they'd buy me a box of crayons. Give me some paper and say, do what you want. So, really, the most important thing is that they expose me to a lot of these different things, and that's how I really found that I love music. I love music, and like Mom said, I like mathematics, which is always fun. But yeah, so to manage your time, it's all about what you prioritize. There's a lot of things which I don't really get too much time to do now. I haven't really drawn or done any art in a couple of months, a year or so. But that's fine because I figured out what I like. But I would have never found that thing that I liked if it wasn't for my wonderful parents who are sitting over here. So, really, if I have to leave you with one message, it's just that um, it will take some time to figure out, what your kids like. But once you do, just make sure that you give that enough priority, encourage them to try out whatever they want and balance it with whatever the studies or academics or everything. Because it's like they say, when you're dieting, you have a cheat day, there's always a balance. So it has to be like that. Okay. So once again, I'd like to say thank you to ma'am for inviting me here, and thank you to my wonderful parents because they are brilliant. And yeah.
Thanks a lot, Aditya, for accepting our invitation. You are such a super kid. So it was, I really felt very happy when you accepted our invitation because 12th standard है, बहुत सारा काम है, बहुत सारी पढ़ाई है, but still you are here to spare beautiful hours of yours. Means you are taking our study hours for our parents. Parents, I would like to bring into your notice that I have seen Aditya growing from, I think he was, I think only 4 or 5 years age. तब से मैं इसको देख रही हूँ. He is a dynamic child. And the best thing which I have observed is he is so simple, he is so down to earth. कभी ऐसा नहीं कि मैं सुपर किड हूँ, मुझे ये सब आता है, मेरे में इतना सारा टैलेंट है. So it is all, everything goes, now credit goes to his parents, because parents ने जो upbringing करी है उस
Ma'am, you've muted yourself.
Okay, done. So I would like to invite now Shubha. Shubha, can you please put your video on?
Hi everybody. Hi Monica. Hi Monica, can you hear me?
Yeah. Now I can see you. Yes.
Yeah.
So Shubha, I would like to ask you one thing. Means being a working woman right from the beginning. So how did you come to know about आदि को ये पसंद है, आदि को इसमें इंटरेस्ट है, आदि ये करना चाहता है, कैसे उसका समझा और फिर कैसे टाइम निकाला? बिकॉज वर्किंग वुमन का एक फिक्स टाइम रहता है, 9 to 5 जॉब है या 10 to 5 जॉब है, और बीच के जो मेन वर्किंग आवर्स है उसमें यू आर अवे फ्रॉम द किड. सो कैसे समझ में आया कि आदित्य को ये चाहिए या आदित्य इस फील्ड में अच्छा है?
अच्छा, एक चीज है मोनिका एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स, मैंने थोड़े साल के लिए नहीं काम किया था. वो थोड़ा छोटा सा सैक्रिफाइस किया था मैंने आदि के लिए, क्योंकि हमारे साथ कोई और नहीं था. मतलब हमारे पेरेंट्स नहीं थे, नितिन जी के पेरेंट्स नहीं थे, तो देयर वाज नो सपोर्ट सिस्टम विद अस. So for that reason, when he was about 2.5 years, I quit my mainstream job and I dedicated my time to Adi for a while, very short while. At the same time, I was working from home, joined another company with my friends, started a recruitment company, but I was working from home. So I was present with him for his growing years between 2.5 till he started school for a longer time. So we did not do anything special. Nitinji and I didn't do any plan anything out for him, but we ensured that he gets a lot of free play and he does whatever he likes. So at the age of 2, we started looking at books So just looking at books, we realized that he was very, very happy to read books. So we spent a lot of time, in the afternoon 1 hour, in the night before bed 1 hour, just with books. So he picked up reading very fast. In fact, he started speaking much before he started walking. So we always keep telling him that. And even now he has love for books and he reads a lot. So and we think that books are a great companion. And we had very good circle of friends. So he used to do a lot of free play. We used to take him to the playground, made it a habit every day to take him to the playground to play. And so whatever they played, Nitinji ensured that that had some kind of an importance. Like, because we used to play cricket every evening, Nitinji ensured that we had one kind of a tournament kind of a thing where all the children got prizes and things like that. And then we started tennis for him at the age of 5. I just want to tell parents about that part. We started tennis for him as the initial sport. And then we realized after 1 year that he was not very happy with the game. Um, he used to go play, but he was not very happy, and we could see that. It could be various reasons. Maybe he was not happy with the coach, maybe he was getting very tired. We could not tell, and he could not express. So we just shifted him from tennis to badminton, and he clicked with badminton. There too, I spent a lot of time with him. I used to play with him so that I did not push him for coaching and things like that. For many years, when he got comfortable with the game, then we put him for coaching. And then even when he got comfortable with one particular coach, we ensured that that coach continues with him. So his love for badminton continued. So at any point in time, we tried to balance one kind of art like drawing, etc., and one game, and of course school was there. So that's what we continued. And of course, credit goes to Nitin because he's also a musician. Monica very well. He plays so many instruments. So he was able to introduce Adi to various musical instruments. आपने देखा होगा picture में कि at 2 years itself he gave him the keyboard and said, explore.
Yeah.
Yeah, so those are the small things which we did, and we let him, grow that way. One more small thing I want to mention is he liked puzzles. So Nitin went and Googled all kinds of puzzles for him and got him all those kinds of different puzzles, so that his love increased in those areas. And yeah, the growth continues, the game continues.
We did not know that he will be good in he will like puzzles. We had one use case coming up at that time. So when he was in LKG, he used to cry when he goes to the school. So it was very tough for us to handle it. And school never allowed parents to go inside. So there will be two senior girls who will hold multiple kids' hands and take them inside. And so what I did was basically in the car when I used to drop him to school, gave him one puzzle basically, and then that puzzle he used to ask those senior girls. So initially it took time for those girls also to align to this type of thinking. Basically a simple puzzle like basically how can you make a slow horse fast? So people will say, okay, you will feed it more, this and all, basically, or whatever, like how you can speed it up. But ultimately, it was about fasting. Basically, you don't give it food and it will fast. So those was like a lateral thinking type of thing. So slowly, Aditya developed an interest for that, and he became popular amongst those senior girls. Also, they used to run for Aditya to take him inside, and they started answering right, even those people. So that was the starting point for some of the things. So some things just came on the way, while like it was not a planned one.
Yeah.
Yeah, things
Yeah.
came, but you gave attention also. You realized it. You gave time.
He gave
Because
time.
without attention, without giving time, you cannot extract the best of them. And one thing I picked up from you is that you started very early at 2 years of his age. Means 2 साल के बच्चे से हम क्या expect कर सकते हैं? But you people started from that age. That's the key point which I could catch hold of it. For our parents also, means अभी हम बोलते हैं नर्सरी में है, केजी में ही तो है, अभी बहुत जिंदगी पड़ी है, कर लेगा. So we should come out of this notion as fast as possible, as soon as possible, because right from the 2 years of age, kids can pick up things that means these are super generation kids. We should now accept it कि ये बच्चे बहुत talented है, बचपन शुरुआत से दे मतलब talent लेकर पैदा हुए हैं. So why not give an extra edge to them right from the early age? Very nice. Yeah, good thought, Nitin and Shubha. Both of you have really worked very nicely. Parents, do you have some questions? आपको कुछ पूछना है? आप कुछ जानना चाहते हैं? Nitin and Shubha can answer your queries. आप यदि कुछ ऐसा देख रहे हैं अपने बच्चों में कुछ टैलेंट या फिर किस तरह से पहचानना चाहिए, कैसे टाइम देना चाहिए. Most of the women जो हमारे पेरेंट्स में मदर्स हैं, they are working also, so they must be facing some issues कि कैसे टाइम निकालें या क्या करें. Parents, you can unmute yourself and you can ask questions if you have. Aradhya Barve, Aradhya, yes, you have raised hand. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, Monica ma'am. Hi, Divyesh.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi.
Father of Aradhya. Yeah.
Yeah, Divyesh, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. My question is that only means it's roam around, right? Basically, Aradhya is very creative, as we can see here in day-to-day life. You know, is also quite. We observe like he catch the things and his kind of intelligent, right? But we are not able to find the extra extra edge or what you extracurricular inside him, right? The creativity we can have in any direction, right? But in toys while he plays with toys, we can see the creativity various. The thing which we not observe, he observe in that things. So I'm not able to extract basically from him to which direction we will divert him or in apart from the study. So how can I start these things basically? That's my question.
You would like to take that question? Go ahead.
You able to understand?
Yes. What like when you observed creativity, what type of thing you're talking about, Devesh? Like about Aradhya?
Yeah, my child Aradhya, he is 3-year-old. Right? While he plays with the toys and all, right? He observe and create very much things, new things, and the things he listen one time he creates in his way. And
Very
also
nice.
in various foods, like while he eating biscuits, even he observe car while eating it, right? Eating those biscuits while we doesn't observe, right? These things. So his kind of, we can see the lightweight creativity in initial age, but I am not able to extract him, right? How to utilize or how to make direction out of it.
Means, yeah, he wants to know कि बच्चा दिख रहा है कि वो कर सकता है, वो पहचानता है, कुछ क्रिएटिव आइडियाज भी लेता है, तो कैसे उसको आगे बढ़े या उसमें कुछ और नई चीज ढूंढ पाए. He wants to know that.
To know the direction which we can divert him, right?
Yes. Because I think one first thing is to acknowledge or that observation what you did. That's the best thing. First thing we should do that, and you have already done that. So that part is taken care of. Basically, that's it. You know that area is the one which can be focused on. One exposure can be given to Aradhya on that part. We had a similar challenge when Aditya was exactly same age. So we wanted to put him in arts at that time. Lego toys was another exposure we did, basically bringing in blocks, whatever is suitable for that age, so that they can their brain actually can work creatively in that area. When we were looking for a teacher in arts, it took a long while for one good teacher to come who was good in our locality here. So basically that person came to our house, any one house in the locality, and then he used to conduct drawing crayons coloring class to start with. And down the line, actually that expanded to, depending on the age, as the kid grew, and then depending on the interest, it actually went to drawing also and different types of drawing. So getting a teacher what I have seen is basically, even if I am good at music and I would want to drive my kid in that area, I've seen that kids may not listen to the
Yeah,
parents. They will take
yeah,
for granted.
Nitin, this is the point basically. Once the
Uh,
father is musician, once the father is engineer, child always follows that way. When father is commander in chief in army, then also son also went in this direction. This is the usual direction of Indian parents and Indian child. But to break those periphery, right? To break those walls, they have their own way to extract the things. So that I
yes,
want to
yes,
discover out of it, right?
yes. So, what all I also meant was basically, as parents, we cannot teach them. It will be my wish that he goes in that line, but it may not happen that he may go. In your case, also, I think you will have to explore somebody who can coach, and that chemistry between that teacher and Aradhya should work. The teacher may not be the best artist in that area, in whatever we are talking about. But if your kid likes that teacher, then the teacher itself can actually take it forward. How to look for that platform, that teacher, and all, you will have to explicitly spend a lot of time to figure out. We went to search one drum teacher and we searched for almost 4 to 5 months. And I took my kid there along there, and just looking at the teacher and while talking to them, he figured out some teachers were not the one with which he wanted to go. He went for one teacher who was just decently okay, and it went a long way. It went a very long way that way. So, Devesh, I am not able to directly
Yeah,
answer
yeah,
your
yeah.
question,
Yeah, the child.
but
I
it
got
I
it.
will. So,
Yeah, I got it. I got, I got
So
that.
means
Thanks, Nitin.
what we can do is we can expose our kid to various platforms and the kid will
exposure
choose
is there.
himself because बच्चे को खुद को पता है कि उसको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है हम कंफ्यूज रहते हैं हमको बड़ा
अभी तो
कंफ्यूजन
इस
रहता
एज
है
में
या
ना,
नो
अभी तो इस
इवन
एज में
दिस
उसको कार बहुत पसंद है। कार, टॉय कार बहुत पसंद है। अब क्या उससे मिले, अब वो बाकी वो क्रिएटिविटी हर चीज में ढूंढ लेता है। जैसे क्लाउड्स में देख लेता है, मतलब खाना खा रहा है तो बिस्किट्स में देख लेगा, कुछ भी चीजों में देख लेता है वो।
या
तो
सो
वो मैंने एक चीज पॉइंट करी थी बस। तो मैं चाह रहा था एक्चुअली, ये पहले से भी मैडम से क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहा था मैं, कि हाउ कैसे हम मल्टीपल, लाइक अपार्ट फ्रॉम स्टडी, ईच वन हैव अ डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन टू गो, राइट? That is about this lecture, right? So that's the basically pretty different thing.
yeah so Divesh one thing I would like to tell you is when Nitin used very right word exposure. जब हम बच्चे को सारी चीजों का एक्सपोजर देते हैं ना वो अपने आप उनका इंटरेस्ट एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पर दिखाते हैं और हमको वही पकड़ना है सपोज जैसे आज का हमारा इनिशियल जो शुरुआत में प्रोग्राम था नितिन वाज आदित्य वाज प्लेइंग ड्रम एंड अद्वैत वाज मूविंग विद द म्यूजिक मूविंग हिज हेड
Okay.
विद द ड्रम्स दैट मीन्स कि ड्रम कहीं ना कहीं उसको क्लिक कर रहा है so what we should do is we should provide various platforms maybe in online mode maybe in offline mode now online mode ने बहुत सारे doors open कर दिए हैं you can take your kid along to any webinar to any of the event and just make them sit यदि उनका इंटरेस्ट होगा तो वो अपने आप शो करेंगे और आप वहां पर उनको पकड़ सकते हो वो अब इतनी सी एज में वो खुद नहीं बोलेंगे कि मुझे बुक पढ़ना अच्छा लग रहा है या मुझे वीडियो देखना अच्छा लग रहा है या मुझे ड्रम प्ले करना अच्छा लग रहा है हम जब उनको उस सब चीजों
ऑब्जर्व
में
करेंगे।
बैठाएंगे ना वो अपने आप अपना इंटरेस्ट दिखाएंगे बिकॉज आज के इवेंट का नितिन एंड शुभा आदित्य ऑल्सो द बेस्ट डिस्कवरी इज अद्वैत So आज का पर्पस सॉल्व हो गया अद्वैत को आई कुड सी ही कुड एंजॉय द ड्रम्स
बीट्स
मतलब
का नॉलेज है, बीट्स, राइट? इट्स
या
अबाउट
ही वाज ऑन
बीट्स।
द बीट्स जबकि क्लासेस में मैंने देखा है उसको थोड़ा सा अटेंशन बार बार लेना पड़ता है अद्वैत काम अद्वैत लिसन बट अभी तो वो खुद पूरे टाइम बैठा था सो आज का पर्पस सॉल्व हो गया वन बॉय इज देयर नाउ इन ऑन द ड्रम्स ही विल बी देयर Yeah, I cannot hear you. I think Advait's mom is saying something.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
Can
बोलिए
you hear?
आप माइक अनम्यूट कीजिए प्लीज I think there is some network issue at her end. Yeah, any other parent would like to ask something?
नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है यहाँ पे।
हाँ,
मैम मैं बोल रही थी मैम इज आल्सो लाइक ड्रम वेरी मच। हेलो मैम।
yeah, so that is today's discovery. आज का पर्पस सॉल्व हो
यस
गया।
यस
So,
मैम।
and Advait's
Ma'am.
mom and Monica, actually, for Aditya, he seriously started at 11 or 12 years of age, he mentioned. But you know how we started? I bought just for experimentation 2 drumsticks for 30 rupees and gave him a cushion, and he started a song, Desi, what's it, girl? Desi Girl song.
हाँ,
And end of that song is to sweat, और वो सारा कॉटन निकल के आ गया कुशन का, और like everything went off. But that was the one basically, and drum was one area where I was not so good at. I was just generally good at type of thing. Mine was a keyboard, and Adi just liked that particular thing. He did not go based on whatever I was exposing. Keyboard is what I exposed him to him first. But then somehow drum, that was the starting point where we gave him those sticks basically, and then he just continued. So there are pads available, a small one to experiment out. So exposure doesn't mean that you have to give him a drum set at home, but you should actually go to those musical shows, possibly car, we talked about car exhibitions, car museums, those are the areas basically. So yeah, all our vacations, anything we planned out, it was in that angle. It was never like whether I want to go to a historic place. You know that kids may not like that historic place, something. So some focus, you can start to know what is your kids liking, and your life actually just focuses on that.
Ma'am, if you
Yeah,
allow
so-
me, one more question I want to ask.
yeah, yes, Divyesh, go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am, one question I was having is not from this particular, like when I had admitted my child in like school, but from previous, like we also choose our field, right? And apart from that, child also, when we once we allow them. But ma'am, like if we allow them to choose their own field, he all this blame to the child, like why you are the person, you are the elders of mine, you why you didn't guided me at that particular time. When we allow them to choose their own field, and apart from this, when we take them according to us, like you, this field is particular for you, this is also not a good way to drive a particular career of a child, right? So in between, this is a mess, right? When we allow them, it might not be a success, it is a complex thing. It is not, we might not be a successful in that his direction by the way he choose, and we also not take away by his dreams, right? uh, with by which he is living, right? So what we do in between that particular way, anybody if he can answer that, that is my concern basically, what we should do in that between.
Nitin, Divyesh wants to ask, I think, about how to decide their career goals. Means कई बार बच्चे बोलते हैं कि नहीं हमको आर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है, हमको वहीं जाना है, but that may not be suitable for them in long career. Means maybe job prospect wise or earning wise, और हम उन पर प्रेशर
Success
डाले
wise.
कि नहीं तुम इंजीनियरिंग में ही जाओ, तो वो भी गलत बात है. सो मीन्स हमारे टाइम पे जब हम लोग बड़े हुए तो हमारे पेरेंट्स का एक बड़ा इनपुट रहता था कि नहीं आप इंजीनियरिंग ही करो या डॉक्टर ही बनना है. बट नाउअडेज द टाइम हैज चेंज, इवन द अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर इमेंस. सो क्या हम बच्चों पे छोड़ सकते हैं ये डिसीजन कि आपको जो मर्जी है, आप जिस फील्ड में जाना चाहते हो जाओ?
और मैम उसमें भी अगर सक्सेस नहीं होते हैं बाद में, तो लाइक मेनी पीपल लाइक अस और व्हेनेवर
दिवेश,
वो
one
आल्सो
thing,
उस पे
one
बोलते
thing
हैं,
at one time, one thing at
yeah
one
ma'am,
time.
okay ma'am, okay, got it.
You want to answer, Nitin?
You have the answer.
You can tell about the current US thing also, no? How he wanted to choose music.
Adi is also there.
Sure.
Okay, then you can speak.
Yeah,
Actually, I think I can
Devesh,
answer this question.
I don't know if this will answer your question, but ये बोलना चाह रही थी कि आदित्य इस स्टेज में ऐसा है कि उसको डिग्री चूज करना है आगे जाके, तो उसको दो ऑप्शंस थे, है अभी भी है। एक तो स्टडी लाइन में जाना, जैसे इंजीनियरिंग बन गया, एंड ही कैन चूज टू बिकम अ कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर. There was another option that he really wants to do, that is he wants to compose music and he wants to go inside in career, take music as his career and become a drummer, full time drummer. Now our concern is, if he chooses music completely, then we don't know what kind of job opportunities may lie for him. So we again we spoke to him and told him that he has to balance both music as well as something in his academics, because he has to put food on his table at the end of the day. अगर ड्रमर बन गया और उसको कुछ अच्छा सा मतलब स्टडी काम नहीं मिला आगे जाके, तो वो कैसे अपने आप को संभल सकता है हमारे बाद, राइट? सो he has understood that point now and he is planning to do both. So because there are no opportunities here in India, he is planning to go abroad and do both of them, pursue both, one being an engineering and the other music. So I think
But Devesh, this required a lot of discussions, almost more than 2 to 3 months of discussion to realize what are we talking about. Is there a degree course? When we actually complete music as career, whether you will have that time gained anytime later on if you want to have anything as a fallback. So there has to be an open channel established at very young age between the parent and kid. Kid may not listen directly if you say this is the way to go, and they will not listen. So it has to be like a proper discussion between the two. I always believe that even 1-year-old kid has got a self-esteem, a small child also. So you have to keep in mind that if you say that this is not the way, you will not be successful, you might be right, or it may be your expectation right now. And there may not be anything wrong if the kid is actually going towards the arts part of it, provided is very clear about the next path. And he'll be proud of his own decision later on. But if you still feel that something is going to hurt him, or you are going to lose time in between by choosing one path over another one, then it's better to discuss out with the kid. We are talking about talking to a kid at this crucial junctions of those taking a degree art path,
Yeah.
which actually means he's already a teenager.
Yeah.
So it's going to be much more tougher. So that is there. But discussion is the only way, because he'll have a much circle of influence, his friends, many other things. So it will be difficult, of course. Going through a career counselor is another way to do, possibly because there are some good career counselors around who are actually expert in this and all, who can help the kid decide.
Right.
So not all the parents might be equipped with giving options to the kid to discuss the next level. It is a very tough one. It involves behaviors and
Yeah,
relations. So
Yeah.
it's
very
kind of
difficult one.
complex thing. It is
It's
very
a very
complex
complex
thing.
one.
Yeah.
I would
Thanks.
like to
Thanks.
I would like to add one thing, Nitin. Means just a scenario, putting a scenario in front of everybody, all our parents also. See, our grandparents means our parents, जब वो डिग्री पास हुए तो उनको घर बैठ के ऑफर आ जाता था, जैसे ही डिग्री पास हुई चलो आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब में आ जाओ. देन हम लोग, हमारी जनरेशन, हमको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी तब हमको जॉब मिला. And now Corona times have come. So Corona has taught us one thing, that we should always have two things for our survival. We should always have two jobs or two opportunities or parallel careers or parallel earning sources for life. So बच्चों को हमको अभी से ही इतनी ये सारी अंडरस्टैंड मीन्स, आपके अभी तो छोटे है केजी एंड KG1, बट एज फॉर आदित्य के एज ग्रुप टीनेजर्स वाले बच्चों के लिए ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि वी कैन नॉट जस्ट रिलाई ऑन वन ऑप्शन फॉर होल लाइफ टाइम सर्वाइवल. वी हैव टू हैव सम और द अदर ऑप्शन गोइंग पैरेलल विद दैट. जैसे हम लोग उतने टैलेंटेड या मीन्स ब्रेन वाइज जैसा अभी डेवलपमेंट इवोल्यूशन होता जा रहा है, बच्चे आजकल के ज्यादा कॉम्पिटेंट हैं, तो ज्यादा कॉम्पिटेंट है, दे कैन हैंडल टू थिंग्स सिमल्टेनियसली हम उनको अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हैं, या हम उनको बोलते हैं अरे कहाँ इतनी मेहनत करेगा, चल ठीक है अच्छा तो चल रहा है। नहीं, आप उनको थोड़ा सा पुश करते जाओगे ना कि नहीं, आपको हर वक्त ऑन योर टोज, ऑन योर फुट रहना है, बिकॉज टाइम इज नॉट सो इजी नाउ। पहले घर बैठे जॉब आता था, अब ऐसा नहीं है। सो दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी हैव टू गिव आवर किड्स मींस एट टीनेज लेवल, ताकि उनको ये लगे कि हाँ हमारे ऊपर ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। लाइफ इज जस्ट नॉट लाइक अ फन नाउ, अब थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आ गई है उसमें।
हमारे टाइम में पेरेंट्स बोलते
Yes,
थे यही
ma'am.
करना
Yes,
है,
ma'am.
दूसरा तो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है।
नितिन
You have
लाउडर
to
प्लीज,
work.
या लाउड।
Yeah, you very much agree with you what you mentioned that you can't just live with one option. Times
या
are different.
या
And हमारे टाइम पे बहुत अलग था, पेरेंट्स वगैरह ये मार के बोलते थे यही करना है बस।
राइट
ये सब क्वेश्चंस वैलिड ही नहीं थे उस टाइम पे। टाइम्स हैव
राइट
चेंज्ड so much, man.
राइट या एनी अदर पेरेंट वांट्स टू आस्क? आई थिंक हमने बहुत सारे दिवेश के क्वेश्चंस से ही हमने सारा कुछ कवर कर लिया है, आई
I
थिंक
think
सो।
so.
Okay, so I wish all
Monica,
the, yeah, yes,
yeah, for the parents, basically, I had some more things which I have documented in an email, which I shared with you. If
yes,
they are interested, you should be able to actually share with them, which has got like how I explored making puzzles in one place, the types of songs, everything looking from the angle of kids, their likings. Small thing like basically when you are driving in a car going somewhere, where instead of playing your own liking songs, you will actually play theirs, things like that. And few good books are mentioned in that.
yeah,
So if the parents are interested, Monica, you can share with them directly.
yes, yes. Dear parents, Nitin has already given me a few PDF files which have puzzles in them, short questions, short things for the kids to do. So I'll be sharing those PDFs with you so that you can
Divish,
organize. Yeah,
Divish had asked about creativity of the child,
yeah,
making
Divesh, yeah.
things. Divesh.
Yeah.
So there are actually very good websites that with the household things, almost triple digit science projects and creative projects you can do with the things which are available at home. You don't have to buy anything from outside. I think it's called as arvindguptatoys.com. Such things are also mentioned in that email. Basically, very nice ones. Basically, it can help you in science exhibitions, craft exhibitions of the kid. It can actually cater to 3 years age, whatever we are talking about. So, a lot of consolidated work in that.
Yeah, yeah,
That's all.
yeah. So I'll be sharing all those content with parents also. And parents in means abhi aapke jitne questions answer ho gaye fine, but in future also if you wish to have some help from Nitin and Shubha in means you want some tips from them, so you can ask me, or I will forward the question to them, or even I can provide their numbers to them so that you can contact them. So it was really a nice session with you both, Mr. and Mrs. Chandana. And I wish all the best in life to your young little dynamic boy, Aditya Chandana. May all his dreams come true and may he achieve great heights in his career. So, dear learned audience, here we come to the end of our chapter 1 with Aditya Chandana. And let me remind you, this is just a beginning. Our dream is to move far ahead in this journey where children can achieve what they dream for, where sky is not the limit, where dreams are beyond imagination, and where life is happy, fulfilled, and contented. So all these wishes cannot be achieved just by Eurokids Sudharma Nagar team alone. Means it can be only achieved with joint effort from you parents as well. So let us come together as a big and extended EKSNI family with 3 cheers to our intentions, our motives, our involvement, and wholesome efforts. Rest is all destined. So destiny plays a great role. So God bless you. God bless you all. God bless Aditya. And bye for now. Thanks a lot, Nitin and Shubha, for taking time for us. And it was really an inspirational journey for our parents, because the way you shared with videos right from the age of 2 to till 17 years of his age, his journey has really motivated our parents. And they have got a guideline how to move ahead. So thanks a lot. Thank you so much. And Aditya, hey, dude, I'm adding pin. So Aditya, thank you so much, beta. You are really amazing. Means I can see rhythm all over in your body. Parents, I would like you to know one thing, that I am a great follower of his YouTube channel. और इसके YouTube पर इतने अच्छे videos आते हैं. He plays so nicely and he gets so much engrossed in the music. और उससे जो निकल के आता है ना, वो वंडरफुल प्रेजेंटेशन होता है. एंड आई रियली लव हिज ड्रमिंग. आदित्य, यू आर डूइंग वेरी गुड. और ऐसे ही करते रहना. कीप गोइंग एंड बी एज सिंपल एज यू आर. मीन्स अभी भी यू आर जस्ट अ क्यूट लिटिल बॉय. कोई हैसल्स नहीं है, कोई दिखावा नहीं है. आई रियली लव यू. सो टेक केयर. गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा, एंड हैव अ गुड लाइफ अहेड. And our parents are
Thank you,
also
ma'am.
wishing all the best to you. है ना parents? You can
Thank you,
write in
thank you.
chat box your
Thank
wishes
you for having
and your
this
feedback
program. It
also.
was very, very useful.
And Aditya, after 12th, I think you will be able to get a good direction. Where to go, where to move ahead.
I hope so too.
Yeah. Okay, so we have in chat box, what a wonderful session for young parents with inspiring Chandna family. Congratulations, Dr. Monica, and all the best for young kids of Euro Kids. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Monica Shah. Trishu is writing, thank you, madam. Yeah, we are all here for upliftment of your kids. One more comment. All the best, Aditya. I request you give some tips to play drum from beginning for kids. So I think
Absolutely. Just get them a pair of drumsticks to start with. That's really all it takes.
अभी के लिए बस ड्रम स्टिक्स दिला दो. आदित्य का कहना है बस ड्रम स्टिक दिला दो, बाकी वो सब कर लेंगे. Good tip. Okay, so here we end. Thanks a lot. Thank you. One more message has come from Mrs. Tyagi. Thanks a lot for amazing session. It's a great learning for parenting. Another message, thank you ma'am, from Manvendra. Manvendra तो बहुत ड्रम बजाता है स्कूल में. We have a small drum at our school, a toy drum. So whenever he comes, he visits to school ना, वो उसकी जो string है वो गले में टांग लेता है और बजाता रहता है full time, पूरे घूम घूम के बजाता है. Great, thanks a lot. So thank
मैम
you.
एक्चुअली वो अभी भी कब से बोल रहे हैं मुझे ड्रमिंग करना है, लेकिन हमारे पास कुछ अभी अवेलेबल ही नहीं है.
डोंट वरी. कुछ जैसे कुछ कोरियर सर्विसेज खुलती है तो मैं आपके घर भिजवाती हूँ स्कूल वाला ड्रम, बिकॉज अभी स्कूल में भी कोई कुछ नहीं हो रहा है उससे.
ओके मैम.
या प्रायुत, यू वांट टू से समथिंग? बच्चे आर सुपर एक्साइटेड, आई कैन सी. So our purpose is solved. Thanks, Aditya. You have really motivated our parents and at the same time these young kiddos also. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And parents,
Thank you.
next time we will come with chapter 2. Chapter 2 may we will have some other guests, some other invitee to motivate you all. Okay, so bye. Take care. Aditya, all the best, beta. Take care. Thanks, Nitin.
Bye.
Thanks, Shubha. Bye-bye. Bye, बच्चों. Bye. Thank you to Aditya parents. Parents के लिए भी thank you आया है. Bye bye. Bye Durva. Bye Yuvan. Bye Nishika. Bye Lavanya. Lavanya, show me your teeth. Smile please. लावण्या बड़ी चुपचाप बैठी है। अवयुक्त, प्रयुक्त, ओके बच्चों, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।